Today is June 13th. We are intercepting a tornadic storm north of Lincoln, Nebraska. Developed surprisingly within the past couple hours.
Go to an interior room on the lowest level of your home or business. Avoid windows and glass doors.
A large hook wrapping around it.
County around Wilbur through Tuesday afternoon. For the Turkey Creek near Wilbur, the stage as of noon Sunday was 13.8 feet, following a crest of 14 Plaha, has issued a flash flood warning for Saunders County.
Large wall cloud developing just north of Lincoln, Nebraska.
The Storm Prediction Center in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of Iowa, Missouri, and Nebraska, effective until 9
Hard to tell if there's any
Central
rotation in it.
Time. This watch covers the area 55 miles north and south of the line, from 30 miles west of Lincoln, Nebraska.
This could produce a large tornado if it went.
Omaha, Nebraska, hail to 2.5 inches and wind gusts to 60.
Got some rising motion in the wall cloud now.
Indicated very heavy rain over southern Saunders County, moving into northern Lancaster County. This will mainly affect Chalk and Salt Creeks. Some locations affected include Davie, Lincoln, Malcolm, Raymond, Waverly. A flash flood warning means that
it don't seem like we went that far.
Districts, rivers, or creeks are possible tornado. The most dangerous part of the storm was located over Davie, or about 13 miles north of Lincoln, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour.
I'm not sure that's the wall cloud or not.
May want to get off here somewhere.
Surely surprised. Rapidly rotating wall cloud. Tornado imminent. Tornado imminent. This doesn't produce a tornado. I won't know what will. There's tornado imminent. Okay, I think we have a tornado. Tornado back behind the trees, I think. Nope. Funnel cloud developing. Funnel cloud. We have got a needle in a haystack tornado. Large tornado developing. You see it back there? Large tornado developing. Okay, tornado is on the ground. Large condensation funnel to the ground. Significant tornado. Gigantic tornado developing. This is tornado number 6 for our trip. 6 or 7 for the trip. And we are safe. Okay, looks like this tornado is now lifting. Extreme rotation in this wall cloud, extreme rotation. The rotation in this thing is hellacious. I've never seen a wall cloud like this, even on video. My God. Look at this scud racing into it.
That's sucking it in there, Granny.
Oh, yeah. Large tornado, possibly large significant tornado imminent. Humongous wall cloud. Okay. Large funnel cloud developing. Large funnel cloud, possible tornado number 2 is developing. Oh man, that's going to be close by. Hellacious inflow into this thing now. Okay, tornadoes within about 2 miles of us. In that field up there. Come on, baby, touchdown. Go all the way to the ground. Got 30 mile/hour inflow winds in this storm route. Funnel cloud, the possible tornado.
Understand that's Highway 8 and Highway 6, and what was the other one on the tornado warning?
Okay, tornado reported on the ground this time. Should get a view of it at the top of this hill. Okay, I'm afraid it's getting rain right now. If we see it, it'll be. Okay, I think I see it. I think I see it. All right, we are gonna have a great view here. I think.
Yeah, 70 miles an hour.
We were just in 60 to 80 mile an hour inflow jet.
Shelter inside a strong building.
Damn hills.
Damaging wind and large hail are possible.
Damn trees.
Repeat, the National Weather Service in Omaha.
And there's one or two tornadoes so far out of this beast.
Southern Lancaster.
Completely wrapped up in curtains. Possible tornado deep within those rain curtains. Okay. Tornado, possible tornado deep within that rain core. Storm's moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Appears to be a right mover. A significant right mover. Come on out of there. Video man. Okay. We are getting some inflow into this. Significant rotation right up there. Large wall cloud right there. Tornado. Well, if it doesn't produce another one, at least we can see we saw at least one today.
Yeah. I've never seen nothing like that. No firm touchdown.
If there's a new one.
Hey, I can't even get it on wide angle. Tornado there.